So you have your peppermint sample, here is how to use it. One of the things that you might be using it for is for a burst of energy. You're going to take your little sample bottle and tap the bottom of the bottle 2 or 3 times into the palm of your hand, and then rub your hands together, close your eyes, cup your nose and mouth, and take some deep breaths in. So you'll want to avoid touching your eyes because that might make them water. The reason we close our eyes is it can also make your eyes water as well. So that will give you a lovely burst of energy. You can also rub that on the back of your neck or just cool things off as well. You could also take this internally in a glass of water. You're going to tap the bottom of your bottle, again 2 or 3 times. This will allow you to have equivalent of 1 drop of oil in your water. This is a lovely way to be able to take it for any sort of digestive discomfort or just as a really nice flavour like a peppermint tea. So you'll want to put that into hot water, not boiling water, so that you don't denature the oil. So that's for digestive support by taking it internally. The other way that you can use it is by applying it topically to your skin. This is really good to use it for relieving muscle tension or head pain. So you will do that by putting a drop of your oil across the forehead, on your temples, again being careful to avoid your eyes. You can also rub that on the back of your neck, wherever you feel the source of the pain is. Works really well for any sort of muscle tension. Again, for digestive issues, you would put a carrier oil on your tummy, tap the bottle and rub on your tummy in a clockwise direction to relieve any sort of digestive discomfort. Enjoy your peppermint.